Welcome to Session 2 of GED Algebra, or Money and Business, Real-World Math. Percent changes become easier when you think in multipliers instead of separate add and subtract steps. This lesson is markup, discounts, and sale prices. We will build the model, solve a complete example, connect it to a realistic decision, avoid the common traps, and finish with a GED-style checkpoint. The key relationship is this. Markup uses original price times 1 plus the rate, while a discount uses 1 minus the rate. The original price is 100%. A markup keeps that whole and adds a percent. A discount keeps only the percent that remains. Convert the rate to a decimal, choose the direction, and multiply once. Read every rate with its units, because the units show what should multiply, divide, add, or subtract. Worked example. A store buys a jacket for $40 and marks it up 60%. First, convert 60% to 0.60. Next, use multiplier 1 plus 0.60 equal 1.60. Then, $40 multiplied by 1.60 equals $64. The selling price is $64. Notice that each line has one job, which makes the calculation easy to audit. Now connect the algebra to a decision. Furniture clearance. A table marked up 85% becomes $407. A later 30% clearance discount keeps 70% of that listed price, producing $284.90. The store is still above wholesale because the initial markup was large. The important interpretation is this. Markup and discount act on different bases. Numbers become useful only after we explain what they mean. Watch for two common traps. First, do not stop at the percent change amount. Find the final price. Second, equal markup and discount rates do not cancel because the bases differ. A reliable habit is to estimate the direction and size of the answer before accepting the calculator result. GED-style checkpoint. A $160 item is discounted 25%. What is the sale price? Decide what model applies before calculating. Here is the solution. Keep 75% of the original price. 160 times 0.75 equals $120. Therefore, the answer is $120. Check that the units and direction agree with the story. Use the repeatable method. 1. Convert the percent. 2. Choose plus or minus. 3. Multiply by the new percent factor. 4. Check that price moved correctly. That completes Session 2, Markup, Discounts, and Sale Prices. Keep the structure visible, and real-world money algebra becomes a sequence of small, dependable steps.